Welcome guys, it's me Regina. So today we're going to wash our clothes in the river and we are going to swim also. Let's go guys, wash with me. Oh, look at my brother, he is washing there. Oh, look at the fresh water. It's like fresh. It's blue na blue and white na white, fresh. Fresh water. That is a bridge, a little bridge. It's where we walk. Wash, wash, brother. Oh, look at Erika. She is selfieing. And here we are. We are going to start washing. Washing. Oh, learn to wash from me. Like that, kusot. Just kusot the bado. That is my saping pala. Wash. Oh, ganda ng water. It's so malamig, so cold. It's really pure. It makes us pure also upon staring. Ganun ang sabon namin, yung bar, hindi yung powder. Marami tayong lalabhan dyan. Wash. Oh, look at us. Oh, we are washing in the river. We are washing while maritesing. Yeah. Oh, it's me trying to swim, but the water is so cold. That's why I'm freezing. Oh, I'm actually freezing at that time. Oh, the water is so cold. Yeah. And then I took a second time to swim again. Oh, it's so cold. The water is so cold, baby. Can't take it anymore. And then we are going to baba. We transport to the other river. Other river. That's me walking down. Binawasan natin yung tubig kaya medyo bumaba kasi ayoko yung malalim. I don't want to swim in the deep river because I'm scared. I'm scared actually in swimming there. But I did because someone is taking video of me. That's why I need to take the opportunity. Wow. I'm scared in that time, oh. But swim. Flip your hair, girl. So, last na yan na pagsuswimming.